Hey everyone, it's your old pal, Yanimal. I thought I'd make a little devlog, a little series. It's been a while since I've done anything much creative while out here in the Philippines. I've been living here now for 5 years and things are going pretty well. I'm on a new project, and this new project, unlike the last project, which had me working very, very hard, is allowing me to spend a lot more time learning new things, not even per se for the project I'm on. This is a godsend. This is awesome. And so what I've been doing is, as you can see here on the screen, after spending the last year learning a lot of Swift and Swift UI and loving getting better at coding, I decided to mix it up a bit. I was getting a little burnt out with programming in my spare time as the previous project was coming to an end. And then this January, New Year's resolutions, I thought I really need to do something a little bit more visual. I haven't drawn in ages. I haven't done anything in Photoshop. I even canceled my subscription and just haven't felt like drawing anymore. And then this past week, look what I got. I got myself a little Wacom. I downloaded a sprite from the Steam store. Is that what you call it? And I decided I'm just gonna have fun. I'm just gonna make something just very lighthearted, no deadline, and I'm gonna have a go at this 2D course I saw by Cobra Code, of which I'll post a link down below. And this is how to get the Unreal Engine 5 to work with certain plugins that you can download for free, and then you can make your own 2D game. It's something that I attempted to do way back when with the Power Game Factory app. Now we're talking probably like 2008, because that was the first time I moved to Colombia and I brought my Mac with me, the big beast G5 tower. Weighed like 23 kilos. I know, because I had to pay for every one of them. And then I spent 6 months learning how to build games and like Objective-C and like all this stuff, making a little game. Unfortunately, like a lot of projects on the creative side, it ended up in the bin because 2 hard drives and backups all failed. There was a transition to a new chipset. I had to learn more programming. And then at the time I was just like, okay, this is beyond my skill. This was in a time when there was no free education on YouTube as well. So I found it a little too hard to get all the bits of information that I needed and to get it actually working beyond some very simple prototypes that I still have up on YouTube on some other channels. I might even post them here as part of this devlog series. So yeah, that's my little introduction as to what is happening. Look at what I got. This is my second attempt in 2 months, because the first attempt, I actually ended up creating a bug so severe, the whole project was just broken. Couldn't get it to run properly anymore. Couldn't get my problems fixed anymore. And after sulking for about 3 days, I got right back into it, because if there's one thing programming has taught me in Xcode is that stuff will constantly break. You need to have your backups, and you need to be ready to start all over again. Usually because you have a better idea, but most of the time because you broke something. So I started all over again. Things went a lot faster the second time around, of course, and yeah, not this fast, but what I basically got going is I got my character, I got my, let me just start that from the beginning. I've got the jumping, I've got wall sliding, I've got all the things that Cobra Code teaches about moving a little guy around in a 2D plane in a 3D world, except the dash move that he also teaches. I couldn't quite get that up and running. There is a solution he provided in the comments on the Udemy course, how I could probably get around any issues I might have using it on a Mac the little extra plugin he created, but to be honest, I don't think I really need it for the project I want to build. What I want to build is what you see here. I want to build a simple platformer that is not super fast-paced like the incredible Berserk Boy that is about to come out on the Switch. I don't know if you've seen that game yet. It is freaking awesome. I want to have fun building, say, 10 levels as a prototype and get a look and feel for this world going, so that you can clearly see what it's going for, and just have it ready as a little demo. That's what I want to do, and then see where that will take me. I think this is going to take me, if I'm not careful, it's going to take me, realistically speaking, at least the rest of the year. But I think I want to see how far I can get in the next 6 months, and that's why I'm making this video. I want to see if I can get back into the habit of making videos on a regular basis, keeping them as streamlined as possible so I don't spend an entire Sunday like I used to with Sketchalona making these edits, and just, you know, hit these save points, as you can see right here. That's the plan. So thank you for checking this out. Thanks for listening. If you have any ideas, chime them down below. If you like where this is going, don't forget to subscribe. After all, you never know when you might get inundated with other developer vlogs and miss out on this one now that you've watched this one. Because that's how it goes for me every time I look at a solar panel. You know? Yeah, I guess I'm rebranding a little bit. I've come up with a name for the studio. See where this journey will take me. I've been posting this on some videos from last year as well. Let me know what you think. YNML Studios. It's not just Yanmo, it's actually for our little family. So Jan, Maui, Lennon. I haven't quite roped my wife into making the music yet, but stay tuned and we'll see how far I get. You guys have a great week. Catch you in the next one.